If you're watching this video, you don't need me to tell you what a great tractor the Case IH8950 is. It has a proven track record and solid reputation that makes it worth the investment and effort to keep it running at peak performance. You also don't need me to tell you what a challenge it can be to keep your engine running right when it's always turning up dirt and dust, and that mud can wreak havoc on the critical engine components. So with that in mind, today we're featuring our Bosch inline injection pump and inline injectors for the Case 8950. Harsh operating conditions on the farm make your engine susceptible to fuel system contamination and corrosion. These conditions can present big problems for your engine, and you'll experience symptoms like rough running engine, hard starting, misfires, stalls, excessive exhaust smoke, unusual noises, and loss of power. These symptoms can be indicators of expensive problems that you're about to face with your fuel injectors or fuel pump. And if not diagnosed and repaired properly, these problems can lead to serious engine damage, taking you and your tractor out of the field for a long time. Regular parts maintenance and clean, quality diesel fuel are key factors in keeping your fuel system running right. But when it comes down to brass tacks and you want quality, affordable diesel fuel system parts that can handle the demands you put on them, and you want them fast, that's why Highway and Heavy Parts now carry genuine Bosch inline mechanical injection pumps and injectors for the Case IH8950 tractor. One of our best-selling inline injection pumps is the same pump supplied by the OEM. It's built with upgraded OE parts and tested using the latest OE technology and specifications. It's guaranteed to meet emissions requirements and match OE performance. Since it was built with upgraded OE components, it may even perform better than your original pump. This highly efficient pump offers improved fuel economy, higher torque, and reduced engine noise. And just like our fuel pump, our Bosch inline injectors also meet or exceed OEM specifications and help lower emissions. Also built to Bosch OE standards with updated parts and brand new wearable components. You can be confident you're getting a reliable, durable injector that's going to work as hard as your 8950. Don't sacrifice quality to get the best price possible. We have it all right here, genuine Bosch OE replacement parts for a fraction of the OEM dealer cost and backed by an industry-leading warranty. Our mission is to take the risk out of buying diesel engine parts for our customers. So if you're looking for affordable OEM quality diesel engine parts with expert advice on the other end of the line, we're here to help. If you have any questions about these parts or any other diesel engine components, you can call me or any of the other ASE certified parts technicians at 844-447-1453. Or you can chat with us online at highwayandheavyparts.com. Be sure to like this video and hit the subscribe button on YouTube and Facebook to stay up to date on all the news and information from Highway and Heavy Parts. From diagnosis through delivery, we're Highway and Heavy Parts.